What's going on, Daily Fam? Today we had a Lost Origin and Fusion Strike. A lot of people have requested this pack battle. Want to see that Gengar. I want to see that Giratina come out of these packs. We're going to see if we can get them today. We're going to have a good one. And we're going to see what we pull. And that's what we're going to do. Thanks for leaving the comments. Thank y'all for helping me reach 500 subscribers. Keep the likes. Some people requested double cam. I'll get those. Let's shoot for 1,000 subscribers. Let's hit that mile mark together as we are one. Fam. Let's get into these packs. We're gonna start off with the Lost Order and see what we can pull. Every pull, leave comment down low. We'll be giving out. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe, that share, leave a comment down below. Let's get into it. So yeah, Lost Origins. My favorite packs. Okay. Cue card is backwards. Good man. It's a reprint. We'll get into it. Okay. Start off with Fire Energy, Snow, Gift Energy, Tina, a Horsey, a Rhino, Lingard, reverse into a non-hollow. Okay. I really like these packs. See, these came out of sleeve packs. Got the Gengar. I think of some 10s. Alright, and a cute card. Backwards. There we go. I'm gonna go forward to the front. Hopefully we get something good out of them. I really appreciate y'all for helping me get to 500 subscribers. That was a mile mark that I love to get to. And hope we keep it up. Really like doing this. Do this every day just for y'all. I really love it. Make it a full-time job. It's just saying, if you love something you're doing, it's never a job. But I really hope you do this for a living. You know, if not, I'm still gonna keep doing it because I actually love doing this. And I love doing this for y'all. I love doing this for the community, the Pokemon community, the collectors, everything that comes with it. Keeps me going. Okay. For the Ducklet, a Ghastly, a Radiant, into a Porygon. Get this Radiant. It's considered a hit. Put that top there. Let's get into our 4th pack. We had 5 packs of each. Get into these. I don't really like when they tear that easy. I mean, they're most likely reprints, but hey, get a Leafy Energy. And a Jinx, Pikachu, a Chop, Snow, 2A, non-hollow. Lost Origin need to come with more hits. As you could say. Why they really, you know, a lot of people from the company, they say that they went back and they did the reprints, but they took some of the hits out. I don't know how true it is. I've had some good luck. I've had some bad luck with sleeve packs. Some say just sell or trade while sealed product. How true it is that we really didn't get too much there from Lost Origin. Getting to some Fusion Strike. I don't really open too much. A lot of people request these. Usually keep them sealed. This is one of my other favorite packs, just like Evolving Skies and Chilling Rain. I really think that's gonna really boom, just like Evolving Skies did or is doing right now. Get to a water, and I am chasing that game going. that full illustration art, and hopefully be able to pull it, because I really love that card. We get a original into a interlude V. Very nice. Right there. Ready to pull something a little bit better. You know? Alright, that's a hit there. The second pack, this Mew pack. They want in the Gengar packs can produce Gengars for us. Who knows? Whatever it is, we'll be happy with it though. So yeah, it's very interesting. Love doing these pack battles, getting into them, pulling, opening. People say, "Oh, you wasting money." No, I don't waste money. The thrill of this cannot be bought. The thrill of this is showing is always enough for my followers, for my subscribers. And it can't be beat. It's just the feeling you get from pulling these and chasing these cards. Alright? So I will always and continuously do this as we get bigger, as we grow as a family. I can't wait to start doing those live pulls for y'all. And make sure we have the right scene. Like I said, I give it to you raw, unedited. Anything can happen. Who knows? Right back, code card. That's a good one. So you go forward to the front here. I think that was 4. Yep. Energy. Ocean energy. Instant sparkle. Meow. Into a very nice trainer. Oh yeah, that's a very nice card there. Let's get her sleeved up. Put her at the top right there. So we get that last pack luck. Going for that Gengar, eating up the whole forest, it seems like. See if we get out this Gengar pack. Alright. So get a cute card there. There you go. We're gonna go forward to the front. Right there. It's gonna be it right there. Alright. It's fighting energy. Valorian, and Sligloo, Glossier, Growlithe just smirking, chilling, Morphe, Falinks, Swoggle, Quackfish, Waloo Reverse, to a Butterfree Hollow. Nice Butterfree card. It's real nice. I like how that one has a thing. Alright. So we got a few hits today. Not the best, but hey, a hit is a hit. A hit is better than no hits. As we see what we first get out of the Lost Origins, a Radiant Hornet Snizzle, and we get these two nice ones out of Fusion Strike. But as you know, make sure y'all leave a like, a comment down below, and make sure you're subscribed. Till again, you know what to do. Peace, Pokémon.